What's going on, everyone? My name is Asmi Hongos. Welcome to the new year. We made it out of 2020, and today we're going to be unboxing the HomePod Mini by Apple. This is one of Apple's latest devices that, to be honest with you, I was not excited about the original HomePod. Biggest reason that I was not excited for it, it just seemed like it was way too expensive, and there are way better, cheaper alternatives out on the market for everybody else. I think that the HomePod was really designed for those high-income earners that really care about their sound. But this comes in at a whopping $99, and it was an excellent gift if you were on a budget. Today we're just going to be unboxing it, and I'm going to be giving you my first impressions and what I think about the speaker in general. Oh, the box is white inside. This is actually pretty heavy, if I say so. Right here, there's a sticker, and as you peel it off, ooh, the Apple logo right on the bottom. And I really love the cable. The cable is nice, braided, so you know it's gonna last a really, really long time. And it's USB-C at the bottom as well. We're gonna be plugging this in and setting this up. If you buy this speaker from Best Buy, you also get 4 free months of Apple Music and 4 free months of Apple News Plus. So I think if you're gonna be buying this as of January 2021, overall you're probably gonna get an overall value of $80 back. So this might only cost you $23 if you're in California and you're taking the tax. We got more cardboard. Of course, we got the instructions. And I don't know if they include the stickers anymore. Oh yeah, they do. They only include one sticker as well. And my least favorite thing of all, it's not the 18-watt charger, but the fact that they made this white. I feel like it's a little off-putting. And the color, just like the color grader in me, absolutely... It's just not a very good color combination in my personal opinion. On top of that, I feel like they could have just built it into the HomePod, but who knows. So right now we're setting up the HomePod. I personally have an iPhone XR, and I'm also not a big Apple Music user. So this will be a great combination for 2 reviews, so make sure to like and subscribe. And as you can see, wow, look at this. I absolutely love this. When it's set up, it looks like there's a cloud on top of it. And just in a few moments, it should be able to register onto my iPhone. So we're gonna go in here, and I believe if you have the U1 chip, it'll just automatically register, sort of like AirPods do. So as you can see here, we have the animation, and we're about to set it up. Later on, we're gonna be testing it with just a general phone call, since this channel cannot afford copywritten music. Once you set it up, you actually get prompted into a smaller menu, and you get to choose whether it's going to be used for a living room. I set this up as a bedroom HomePod, and it can recognize your own voice, so we're going to set that up. The great thing about the HomePod is that if you're locked in to the Apple ecosystem and you're a hardcore Apple fanboy, this will be amazing for your family. Siri for HomePod. I'm not the biggest fan of Siri as a personal assistant, but this might be the one thing that makes you not want to buy this, is that Siri is the only home assistant on this thing, so you can't switch for Google Assistant. And what I found throughout the years is that Siri is still very limited, even with all the software updates. Oh, so now we're setting up the HomePod, we're centering it. Wow. Wow, that sounds really cool. What? Producer, what do you think about the sound so far?
It's very pleasing.
Right? So,
Makes me feel like I'm asleep.
oh wow, yeah. Yeah, that was a very calming sound for the setup. It makes me feel homey. So the texture, the woven texture of this is also really nice, solid, and I think you're getting a great quality product. For $100, I think...
Hi, I'm Siri.
Oh, hello, Siri.
Welcome to HomePod.
Welcome
You
to
can't
HomePod.
tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri."
Hey Siri.
Let's get started. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, what are the news?
Here's the latest news from NPR.
Live from NPR News, I'm Jack Spear. Law enforcement officials have now cleared pro-Trump extremists.
All right, that's what we're
away from
gonna
the
say.
US
Hey
Capitol
Siri, shut up.
building.
Shut up,
After
Siri.
a mob stormed
Oh wow. So the also on top of the first thing that I noticed is that this touchscreen is already a finger magnet. Like, it's like, if you care about the fingerprints and how many people are going to be touching this on a daily basis, this is a huge fingerprint magnet. However, the top screen is actually very, very responsive, and the sound, like the sound already sounds really, really good. And I guess that's because of the amount of speakers that are already in here. It already sounds phenomenal. The setup was really, really easy. The one thing I'm actually pretty disappointed in is the LCD screen. There's other home assistants that are $100, like example, some Alexas that have a home screen. So if you really care about watching a video, care about looking at your playlist on Spotify or your other music streaming apps, then I think this might not be the choice for you. So as I was setting it up, it gave me the option for intercom. So intercom allows you to, if you have multiple of these, which I think if you're, a true Apple fanboy, then you'll have multiple of these around multiple rooms in your house. However, I'm not going to use it. We're just going to do a small test. We're just going to be calling someone, and afterwards, I'm going to be going on for review. Hey Siri. Oh my God. Shut up about Donald Trump. Hey Siri. Play nature sounds.
Nature sounds now playing.
Oh, wow. So we're going to put this up to maximum volume. Wow. What do you think about the speakers?
It's really nice.
Yeah, right? So,
Very crisp.
yeah, the sounds, it's actually very responsive as well. The sound, like for $99, I think compared to an Alexa, the sound sounds way better. I think if you really care about sound over the screen, over functionality, over your privacy, then I think this is a much better choice. However, it also feels like it's still very limited because of Apple's core, privacy ideas. But I'll have to test that out and keep on diving into what I think makes this special and whether I think you should buy it. But I'm generally impressed with, first of all, the sound, the setup, and how well built this is for $99. I think when it comes to the home assistants, you have multiple choices now. The one thing that you might really worry about, though, is the amount of functionality when it comes to setting up other things, like your HomeKit and your security. But I think Apple is expanding its range. So make sure to stick around, like, comment, and subscribe. I thank you so much for your time and your attention, and I'll catch you in the next one.